I'm gonna do another status update on the Austin Healey. As you can see it behind me, and so the last time you saw it, we hadn't done the priming on the inside, but we did that in here. It was really nice being able to just use a paintbrush to get that all done. We still have some more to do. We got to clean the dust out and the dirt that's in the corners there, and then get these wires out of the way. Then the inside actually turned out pretty good. Um, it was a little wet on the primer still, so the red kind of didn't get real thick, but it's pretty decent. I think it will coat it pretty, keep it pretty rust free. There are a couple spots you can see right there in the middle that chipped off. I'm not sure if I didn't get the rust good enough or what, so I'll have to check into that. Maybe grind it clean and repaint that part. We did paint this back here, and we got this side primed, but didn't have time in the day to get that all painted red. And amazingly, it matches really well. It's hard to tell that it's a different paint, except for the fact that it's sort of streaky brown from where the primer shows through. And I think maybe I'll do another coat, maybe I won't, since it's underneath the upholstery when the carpet gets put in. But yeah, that's the update for today. It's coming along pretty well. We also did at the end of the day, I got tired, so left some markings of what looks like death of blood, but it's just the red paint. I got some paint brushes here that are probably dried up, and a bunch of wet rags. They didn't catch on fire, so that's good. Yep. So far so good. Haven't done anything with the motor yet, and looking forward to getting this paint work done. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.